Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. You got about du equals to e to the power of s ds. This one you will got about u square because number 2 in here. We can put into e to the power of s, everything to the power of 2. That's why you got about u in here. This one we change for e to the power of s ds, we change for du. The integration of this one, you will go about r sine of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. Question number 2. In this situation, I will add about s square. Later that we need to minus about s square. Later that we need to have negative number 1. Later that we need to add number 1. Because I want to create the factor to divide by s square plus 1 in here. This one, we got about s square multiplied by s square plus 1. This one, we will get about s square plus 1. Number 1 and number 1, you got about number 2. Next, this one divided by this one, you will get about s square. This one divided by this one, you got about negative number 1. This s over s square plus 1, and number 2 over s square plus 1 ds. The integration of s square, you will get about s to the power of 3 over 3. About number 1, that's about s. About this one, you will get about 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of s square plus 1. And the last one, you will get about 2 tan of s, and we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.